Hi everyone, I want to show you how you can take your citations, export them, and then add them to your final paper. You can also keep them separate. So here I have citations that I created for a project. Now, as I've created my research paper, I've realized that some of these sources I actually didn't cite in my paper. So this first step is going to be very important. It's extremely important that you actually look at your paper once it's done to see which sources you actually cited and which ones you actually didn't. If you didn't cite a source, you want to go in and click on options and edit. So say I ended up not using this source at all. I did not use it at all. Maybe I took notes on it, but I did not use this source at all in my paper. I want to edit it and I want to unclick this. This is very important. You want to unclick it because it should not be in my final works cited paper. I did not use it in my paper. I did not use it in my paper, so I need to unclick that and hit save. Once you have verified that you have gone through your sources and actually looked at the sources that you actually used in creating your research paper, you're then ready to export it. My recommendation to you is to export it to Word Online. In that way, it is synced with your Office 365 account. So you want to be signed in, and then you can export it to Word Online. So I am signed in through Clever to all my MNPS things. And so at that point, I've checked my sources, my citations, I've gotten feedback on them, and I've made sure that if I did not use one, that it is not on this list. And then at that point, I have this as a separate works cited paper, so I could just use it separately if your teacher just wanted the works cited paper separately. Or I can copy it. Here I have the paper that I created. So say I created this paper. This is my research paper. And all you want to do on it is you go down to the next page. And you have copied it. So you copied your sources. Remember, I copied that. And then I go down and I hit Control V. And you double check, but that is now correct. So that's how you do it. That's how you make sure your citations are correct, and that the ones included in your works cited paper is correct. That's how you export it, and that is how you add it to your paper. That's it. Ask me questions if you need to.